Hey everyone! Welcome back to AILOVA HOTPOT. Today we're making something warm, comforting, and absolutely delicious, creamy mushroom soup. It's perfect for a cozy night, or when you're craving something hearty. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe: 500 grams of fresh mushrooms, any variety you like, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken stock, 1 cup of heavy cream, or a lighter alternative like coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste, fresh thyme or parsley for garnish, a splash of olive oil. First, let's clean and slice our mushrooms. You can use a damp cloth to wipe them clean, or give them a quick rinse and pat them dry. Slice them evenly so they cook uniformly. Now, heat a large pot over medium heat, and add a splash of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, toss in the chopped onions and garlic. Sauté them until they're soft and fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the sliced mushrooms. Let them cook down for about 8 to 10 minutes until they release their moisture and turn golden brown. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once the mushrooms are nicely browned, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour. This will help thicken our soup. Stir it well to coat the mushrooms evenly. Now slowly pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken stock while stirring continuously. This will prevent any lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Once the soup has simmered for about 10 minutes, it's time to blend it. You can use an immersion blender for a creamy texture or transfer it to a regular blender in batches. Be careful, it's hot. Now, return the soup to the pot and stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. This adds that rich, velvety texture we all love. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a final stir, and let it heat through for another 2 to 3 minutes. Time to serve. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh thyme or parsley. You can also add a drizzle of cream, or a few sautéed mushrooms on top for extra flair. Creamy, earthy, and so satisfying. This mushroom soup is the ultimate comfort food. It's easy to make and tastes like it came straight from a fancy restaurant. That's it for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AILOVA HOTPOT, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.